Okay, so this is the setup for sealing the jars. This particular jar is 2 litres with the lid, and this has got cashier nuts in it. So I'm just going to get the lid, just screw that on, not too tight, just finger tight, just without any force. Now I just want to show you the cap. This one's just for demonstration. I've taken this one apart. This one's for a small jar. With the print, it's just like a little cap. Well, that's what I called it. I've got an elbow that screws in to the centre with an O-ring, just to get the seal. I put like a rubberized coating on to get extra, for an extra seal. This is a piece of rubber that I have. I made this, well, didn't make the rubber, it was a flat U-shaped rubber that I got from the hardware store. I put it in, joined it in a circle with some super glue. Okay, so then I put that back on now. So this is the one we're going to use, which is a 2 litre with the rubber already on. And this is the hose that came with the machine. With the hose, it had like another little end on it. On this particular machine, it's like a little sucky end that used to go, that goes to like little square vacuum sort of containers. I'm not using that. Okay, so I'll plug the tube on here. This little piece here on the elbow is a 4mm water pipe. Okay, this particular machine, there's no plug on the outside. The vacuum nozzle on this one is on the inside, on here. Some of the machines where they plug in, be in your instructions. It'll probably plug on the outside in most machines. So I'll put that on the jar, and then I'll just do vacuum and seal. Slight little bit of pressure just to make sure I know it's starting the vacuum. I can test that like that. That's holding the jar, so that's working. Now some of these machines are quicker than others. This one's not particularly fast. Some will seal quite fast. So we just wait for the air to come out. Now the 3D file for this is an STL file. I'll see if I can find them some point, and then I might be able to share the link for that. Now this one I believe releases on the side, the air. That was it, you probably didn't hear that. That did release. You can tell that's definitely sealed. Now some of these can be hard to open, these 2 litre ones, but I will grip it under my arm. I don't know if you're going to have to see if you can hear that air. There you go. If you heard that, that was a seal. They actually seal quite tight, that's the only thing. You could probably help it once it's sealed. Just put a little knife under there just to help, just flex the just to flex the lid, so it comes undone easier. Okay, so that was the demonstration.
3,